Hi, I'm Jim Walker. Welcome to 2022. We're making new videos for the flooring industry. We know with your hand skills and my knowledge, you can make more money. I believe in you.
Today I'm showing you step by step the proper techniques to upholster a stair using the waterfall style. Let's begin. Determine the tack strip length on the tread by measuring the width of the riser above. Secure the tack strip to the tread with the pins pointing toward the riser, creating approximately 3/8 inch gully, depending on the thickness of the carpet being installed. Measure the riser. Cut the tack strip 1.5 inches short for each side to be upholstered. Center the tack strip on the riser, approximately 1/2 inch up from the tread with the pins pointing down. Every carpet is different. Always be aware of the thickness of the carpet when creating the gully. You should now have a gully slightly less than twice the thickness of the carpet. Secure sections of the tack strip around each spindle in a uniform manner. As an alternative to nailing, I'm using hot melt adhesive. Point the tack strip pins toward the spindles and always maintain the same gully. When nailing, use a minimum of 2 nails for each section of tack strip. On the upholstered edge, trim down the tack strip so that it is entirely on the tread without creating a ledge. Continue all the way to the end of the return. Now, let's place the cushion. Use a hammer stapler to install the cushion. Place the cushion from the tack strip on the tread down to the tack strip on the riser below. A dense fiber cushion provides a solid foundation. Cut from the top corner of the tack strip on the riser up to the top corner of the tread. From this point, cut straight out from the bullnose. When viewed from the front, this creates an angle on the cushion. Trim the cushion flush to the tack strip on the tread. Make a relief cut at the corner where the cushion will extend over the return. Secure the section of cushion on the thickness of the tread. Trim as needed. Make sure the cushion does not go underneath the tread or behind the return. Trim the cushion flush to the tack strip around the spindles. Create an angle on the front of the stair by cutting from the outside corner of the bullnose down to the top outside corner of the tack strip on the riser. Do not leave any voids that will create a low area in the appearance of the carpet. Continue securing the cushion to the thickness of the tread and repeat the procedure from the opposite side of the stair. Again, check for any voids of cushion along the tack strip edge. Place duct tape along the nosing of each stair to help reduce the wear of the carpet along the edge of the bullnose. This is a sample of what occurs when duct tape is not used. Excessive wear of the backing of the carpet and premature deterioration of the cushion. Utilizing duct tape is a simple way to add years of wear to a staircase. We are ready for the carpet.
Thanks for watching and enjoy a profitable 2022. And check back soon.